From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, here with your forecast for the State College area for today, February 2nd, 2016, which is, of course, Groundhog Day. And our friend up in Puxatawny Phil, he did not see his shadow today, which according to Puxatawny Phil means we will have an early spring. Is Puxatawny Phil right? Will we have an early spring? We'll find out here in just a second. But right now, we'll take a live look outside right now at Beaver Stadium, where we are looking at some very clear skies. A lovely day here in State College, where we currently have temperature coming in at 43 degrees under those mostly clear skies. Then looking around the rest of the center region, we have Bellefonte coming in at 43, Williamsport coming in at 43 as well, and Carlisle coming in at 47. Then down here across the rest of the Commonwealth, 50 degrees over in Philadelphia, 43 in Harrisburg, and 45 in Allentown. So all of that snow they got about a week and a half ago is continuing to slowly melt away. We'll have more on that in just a second as well. Right now we'll take a look at our radar and satellite across the Commonwealth, and there's not much to speak of at all, just a few scattered clouds in some parts, but it's mostly clear day across the Commonwealth. However, the big weather story for the day, of course, since it is Groundhog Day, that must mean there is a blizzard in the Midwest, and lo and behold, there is. We have blizzard warnings across much of Nebraska and into Iowa as well, and the snow will be working its way up into Wisconsin later on today as well. Much of I-80 is closed throughout much of Nebraska and into Iowa due to the blizzard conditions, so we do advise against any travel at all in those areas. And then also with this, we are looking at the chance for some severe weather down in the south. We have an enhanced area of risk for severe weather in Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky going through the rest of today. The main risks are for strong winds, but there is also the chance for a tornado or two. And then bring it back here to central Pennsylvania as we take a look at our eye on the future. We do have some rain showers that will be working their way into our area overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, if you are heading over to class, be sure to grab your umbrella or that rain jacket on your way out the door, as you will be needing it, especially in the early hours of tomorrow. Later on in the day, though, that rain does work out here in central Pennsylvania. And look at these temperatures that we'll have tomorrow. 59 in State College, 60 in Johnstown, 62 in Pittsburgh. So behind this rain, it will get quite warm during the day tomorrow afternoon. And then that rain will be sticking around in southeastern Pennsylvania. Some places could see a large amount of rain. Some places could see over an inch of rain. And then everything does clear out as we go into our day on Thursday, where it will be a bit cooler as well. So how much rain are we actually looking at? Much of the state will be around an inch, from half an inch to an inch. A few places could see over an inch. Harrisburg, Allentown, right around an inch. And like I mentioned before, they have a lot of their snow melt going on right now as well. And with this inch of rain, that could create some problems for some flooding as well. Flash flood watches have been issued for much of southeastern Pennsylvania due to the snow melt from these warm temperatures and the rain that is coming as well. So we do advise everybody to please be careful in these floodwaters. And if you are in a flood, remember the tip from the National Weather Service: turn around and don't drown. So what are we actually looking at for your forecast here in Happy Valley? For today, we'll have a high temperature around 45 degrees with more sun than clouds throughout much of the day. And then going into tonight, we'll drop down to a low of around 35 degrees with those rain showers working their way into our area overnight tonight. And then as we go into tomorrow, we'll have a high temperature around 58 degrees with those rain showers in the morning. We could get quite a soaking in the morning hours, so make sure you do grab that umbrella on your way to class. And then once it does move through, we will get quite warm, as we could reach up near 60 degrees for your high tomorrow. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, see if Puxatawny Phil was right. We will be quite above average for this time of year. Our average is still only around 32 degrees. And we will be mostly hovering around 40 for the rest of the week. So it's not quite spring-like weather, but we are a bit above average, so we'll just have to wait and see if Puxatawny Phil was right. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.